Are your customer messages slipping through the cracks? If you run a small or medium business, you know leads reach out everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, your website, even email and phone. But slow replies, missed details, and scattered info mean lost sales. Today, I'll show you how conversational commerce and Spark3sixty can change that, so you never miss a lead again. Hi, I'm Jin, and in this video we'll break down what conversational commerce really means, the pain points it solves for growing businesses, and how Spark3sixty brings it all together with a simple, unified system. Whether you sell services or products, this is for you. Conversational commerce is about meeting customers where they already talk. Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, your website chat, and guiding them from first question to booking or purchase, all in one conversation. It's not just about chatbots, it's about real-time answers, building trust, and making it easy for people to take action. Leads get lost in inboxes or go cold waiting for a reply. Manual data entry and scattered channels make it hard to track what works. Long forms turn people away, and follow-ups slip through the cracks. Most importantly, you can't improve what you can't measure. That's where Spark3sixty comes in. Unified inbox. Every inquiry from chat, email, forms, and calls goes into one sales lead tracker in your CRM. No more hunting for messages. Speed to reply. Automations greet leads instantly, answer FAQs, and qualify prospects, so no one waits for a reply. Chat to conversion. Clear chat paths guide people to book appointments, request quotes, or go straight to checkout. No long forms required, but forms are still there to sync with your CRM when needed. Revenue tracking. See exactly how much revenue comes from chat so you know what's working. Ongoing support. Spark3sixty isn't just software. We set up, configure, and manage your whole system, report monthly, and help you optimize every step. Let's walk through a typical customer journey. Someone finds you on Facebook, Instagram, or Google and starts a chat. They get instant answers and options. Book a call, see pricing, or ask a question. Their info is captured automatically, and they're added to your CRM. Your team gets a task or reminder to follow up, and all activity is tracked. No more missed leads, and every conversation is one step closer to a sale. If you want more leads, faster replies, every inquiry tracked in one place, and a partner to set up and manage the system for you, Spark3sixty is a fit. Whether you're focused on product sales or service bookings, our approach keeps your pipeline moving and your team focused on closing deals. Speed to reply, reduce first response time, and keep follow-ups on schedule. Chat to conversion. Turn more chats into bookings and sales. Revenue tracking. See the real impact of your efforts. If you're ready to modernize your revenue engine and never miss a lead again, book a call with Spark3sixty today. Visit our website to get started.